YouTube, what is up? I bet no one expected to hear or see from me again, did you? So, this past month, last month rather, it has been official. Drone tag, RFID, whatever you want to call it, remote ID. It is in effect. It went into effect. I don't know the exact date. I didn't keep track of it that much. But I'm here to show you guys what you can get to become legal. You can pick up this guy right here, drone tag. $89, that's all you need. Show you by the size of my finger. Not bad, right? It's got a Bluetooth antenna, GPS antenna. Got a wire harness if you're going to use it as GPS. Wire harness, just 2-wire hookup if you're just going to use it for just the drone tag itself. So as you can see, we got multiples across the board here. That's because I'm installing them in drones. I went ahead and put it in this guy here. I would power this up and show you how it works on the app and all that, but then when Ethan gets it back, guess what? It'll be attached to my phone, so we don't need to do that. So you see how small it is on there? This is literally a tiny drone, so it was a little bit hectic to get inside and solder to that little stuff where I haven't done it in a while. No problem though. So, go ahead and I'll give you a video that you guys could definitely reference. He shows you way more into it, and that is TronCat FPV. Check him out. There it is. That's the video he did. Does a great job on showing you how to wire these up. Really simple. We're going to plug and play. You're going to GPS this side, 5 volted on this side. 5 volts is more stable for the GPS if you're not aware of that. So yeah, so I have 4 more drones here to put them in. And that's how you attach the GPS to your drones now. And you can use it as a GPS, or like I said, just a tracer more or less, right? But if you use GPS, then you got home point, you got longitude, latitude, you got a lot more stuff going on there. So I would suggest using it as GPS. It's a simple hookup. You do it just like you would do anything else. Ground, 5 volt. Of course, this is 4.5, so I 5 volted over here. And then TX and RX. It's that simple. And then you go in, set up your UART on what it is. Like I said, watch TronCat FPV's video. Does a great job on showing you everything. The app, the setup in the app, and the whole 9 yards. And then you don't have to worry about if someone wants to come up on you when you're, out here filming or, just having fun with your drone. You don't have to worry about no one, hey man, you remote RFID, whatever you want to call it. I don't know how the law is going to fall out, but here it is, guys. You heard it from me, MD95 TSI. Yep, I'm posting a video. Something new, right? So I got to put these on a couple of my drones, of course, the ones that I fly. So yeah, I don't know why the camera's doing all that wonky stuff. But for sure, pick up your drone tag. Scan here if you want. And that'll give you, more information onto it. How to wire it, just everything about it. So I got 4 more to do. I'm gonna wire a couple more of these boys up. Like I said, this guy was pretty tough, but as you can see, it's not big at all. It's really not a hassle. It's only if something happens. So if you want to go out there and be an egghead and fly this little thing into a window of a car, and then the car does every stupid thing in the world, then yes, they're going to know that you did it because now it's attached to you. That's all it is. It's that simple. So if you're going to go out here, you're going to have fun. You ain't got to worry about nothing. No nonsense pilot. You know what I mean? You're just going to out there have fun, and the hobby itself, you ain't going to have nothing to worry about. Pick these up. Like I said, this is what it comes with. Bluetooth antenna, GPS, wire harness for the 5 volt, wire harness for GPS. Your module itself, you get a shrink wrap and the drone tag with the QR and all onto it. This is the bag that it all comes into. You want to make sure when you hook it up which one's Bluetooth and which one's GPS, because you don't want to cross them up. As you can see, this is the antenna orientation that it works the best on. So yeah, go ahead and pick up your drone tags and check out TronCat FPV. Does a great job, and happy flying, guys. Good to see you guys again. And keep them birds in the air. Do them legal. You could pick up another module if you're into like the camera birds. So they have other modules that you could pick up that are, cost you a little bit more money, but it's like a complete unit. So you could drone tag beacon is like $219. It's kind of like on a case, as you would think. And then you got drone tag BS. So it's $89. Actually, I believe that's this one here, just in a case. To my knowledge, you can purchase a case for it and everything. Like, you don't have to have it like this and just bear on your drone or whatever. Anyway, guys, again, thank you for watching, and be safe, be legal. Happy flying.